How to turn on Apple Intelligence AI. Want to unlock the latest AI magic on your iPhone? With Apple's new intelligence feature, your device just got a whole lot smarter. Today, I'm walking you through how to turn on Apple Intelligence on your iPhone, available in iOS 18.1 or later. This feature brings powerful AI tools directly to your device, making everyday tasks easier and a lot more fun. First things first, open up your settings, head to General, and then Software Update. Apple Intelligence is only available on iOS 18.1 or later, so make sure your device is updated to this version, or newer. Once you're all updated, head back to the main settings page. Look for the section titled Apple Intelligence and Siri and tap on it. You'll see an option to join the waitlist if it's your first time using this feature. Next, click on Join the Apple Intelligence waitlist to get access. Once you're approved, which usually takes a few hours or a couple of days, Apple will check if your device meets all the necessary requirements. Once Apple approves you, Apple Intelligence should be enabled by default. If not, go back to the settings and toggle the switch to turn it on. Just make sure it's green, and you're good to go. With Apple Intelligence, you'll have access to incredible features like a cleanup tool to keep your device organized, a new Siri image playground where you can generate AI images, and advanced writing tools. It's designed to make your iPhone experience smoother and more powerful. And that's it. Apple Intelligence is ready to use on your iPhone. Make sure you subscribe to Fix Forum for more tutorials like this.